Reactions of glycerol. Glycerol is a dihydric alcohol, so it is having two alcohols. So it comes under even polyhydric alcohol. Here, when ethylene glycol is treated with HI or PRI2, we are getting ethene. See, COH, COH. This side one bond, this side one bond for C. Therefore, two bond is less, so we write H2. So CH2, OH, CH2, OH. So this is reacted, treated with phosphorus or iodide. So here I2. So this iodide replace this OH. So we are getting CH2I, CH2I. This is unstable. So in order to become stable, this decomposes. So we are getting this decomposes. Iodide will be decomposed. So we are getting CH2 double bond CH2. In the second, on heating with concentrated HNO3 in the presence of concentrated H2SO4, ethylene glycol forms. So CH2OH, CH2OH, we are taken two molecules of HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4. So we can write this HNO3 HONO2. So this from here one hydrogen and one oxygen attacks this hydrogen, combines with this and release as a H2O, and here also in the same thing because we are having 2 moles. So we are getting CH2O, this NO2. CH2O NO2. See the IUPAC name for this? Eth. Ethane. 1,2-diol. This is the structure and the name for glycol. And here 1,2-dinitro. ரெண்டு நைட்ரோ இருக்குது first carbon லையும் second carbon லையும். Oxy, oxygen is there, oxy. Ethane, this is not ethene, this is ethane. This is because this is a single bond. Next we shall see dehydration reaction. Here this is heated in 3 steps. First it is heated at 773 Kelvin. Secondly, this is heated with anhydride zinc chloride, and third it is distilled with concentrated H2SO4. So here we see here it is heated at 773 Kelvin. So here from here O, HO and H. So remaining is O. So we are getting CH2, CH2O. 1,2 epoxy ethane. And this is cyclic compound. This is also called epoxide. Next, when heated with dilute sulfuric acid or anhydrous zinc chloride under pressure. So CH2OH, CH2OH, we are treating it with anhydrous zinc chloride. Here when we are treating with anhydrous zinc chloride, this OH and one hydrogen from here, H2O release. So we are getting CH2, this bond comes here, CH2, CH and this OH, and this become an unstable compound. So this is called vinyl. What is vinyl? When this OH is present to பக்கத்தில் உள்ள கார்பனுக்கு OH present ஆகிருக்கும்போது this is called vinyl alcohol. So this hydrogen attacks this CH2 in order to attain the stability, and that is called tautomerization. So this hydrogen attacks this CH2 and becomes CH3 and remaining is CHO. This is ethanol and this is called vinyl alcohol. The third dehydration reaction is distillation with concentrated H2SO4. So when we distilled with concentrated H2SO4, it gives dioxane. So here we have taken glycol, 2 molecules of glycol. This is one molecule of glycol, this is other molecules of glycol. We are writing it in a straight line. So here OH from here and H from here. So this dehydrated, this is removed, this water is removed, and here hydrogen from the first molecule and OH from second molecule is dehydrated, and so we are getting here one O, here one O. So we are getting 1,4-diazane. Next, oxidation of glycol. So the oxidation of glycol takes place in 2 steps. The first one is without breaking, without cleavage. The second one is breaking and cleavage is taking place. So in the first one, it is CH2OH, CH2OH, the glycol we are taken, we are oxidizing it. So this is the second molecule. So we are keep this as it is, and this is the primary alcohol, and the second one we keep it, and the first one CH2 we have learned already that primary alcohol during oxidation change into aldehyde, then oxidation it gives carboxylic acid. So this primary is CH2OH, while oxidation it becomes aldehyde CHO, then it becomes carboxylic acid. Now come to the second one. So during this reaction we keep as it is, and here you see, here onwards we proceed this, and this CH2OH becomes aldehyde and that becomes carboxylic acid. And these steps you see, this CHO we bring down, and this CHO is this, here one CH2OH is there, no? So this primary alcohol converts to aldehyde. So we have one aldehyde here and here one aldehyde. This is the reverse oxidation. So this reverse oxidation we can see that carboxylic acid and here the carboxylic acid. This is the reverse oxidation of this. The second one is oxidation of glycol with periodic acid. So this is not periodic, this is periodic acid. Here ethylene glycol on treatment with periodic gives formaldehyde. This is the special thing. We get vicinal 1,2-diols. First of all, what is vicinal? Vicinal is nothing but OH is attached to, there is this OH is attached to பக்கத்து கார்பன்ல OH attach ஆயிருந்தா அது vicinal we say. So here you see this bond is breaking and the cleavage is taking place, and what are we taking? That is HiO4 we are taking. So HiO4 1 2 3 4. So this is the structure of periodic acid. Periodic acid or the structure is this, and of one hydrogen from here and one hydrogen from here, and the oxygen is from here, from this periodic acid. So this is dehydrated, this is removed as a water, and the remaining is CH2O, 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 and here one oxygen is gone, so remaining is HiO3. So now write this part of this one, this O is come here, and 1 2, so this O and this OH is there, and the remaining is, so we write the structure like this. Then tautomerism is periodic ester, it's an intermediate. This is a cyclic periodic ester, this is an intermediate. And so we are getting C double bond O, so remaining is HiO3. So this is formaldehyde. Reaction of glycerol, the nitration, glycerol reacts with concentrated nitric acid in the presence of sulfuric acid to form TNG, that is nothing but nitroglycerin, trinitroglycerin, that is only TNG. This is the short form, it can be also asked in the name of TNG. This is used in medicals, in buildings, and this and all. So here you see glycerol, the structure of glycerol is CH2OH, CHOH, CH2OH. So we are taking nitric acid, 3 molecules of nitric acid we are taking. So 3 O is here. So this with 1 OH is dehydrated, and the remaining is CH2O, NO2. CHONO2. So 1 2 3 trinitroxypropane. Next is dehydration. When glycerol is heated with dehydrating agent, so the dehydrating agent can be concentrated H2SO4 or potassium bisulfate. So when we are taken potassium bisulfate, we are getting CH double bond CH2 single bond CHO. Oxidation. Glycerol gives different oxidation product depends upon the nature of the oxidizing agent. நாம் யூஸ் பண்ணக்கூடிய அந்த oxidizing agent பொறுத்து different oxidizing product it gives. Here oxidation of glycerol with which is the oxidizing agent we are taken dilute HNO3, and here concentrated HNO3, and here we are taking bismuth nitrate and Br2 H2O or NaOBr we are taking here HiO4 or lead tetraacetate LTA, and here acidified KMnO4 is used. So depending on the oxidizing agent we are getting the different oxidizing product. This is the structure of glycerol, that is CH2OH, CHOH, CH2OH, and when this is oxidized, this remains constant. This aldehydes becomes carboxylic acid during oxidation, and this is the same here carried here, and these remain same and this CH2OH here, this CH2OH becomes carboxylic acid. Here in the secondary alcohol we know this gives ketone. So this CH2OH becomes carboxylic aldehyde becomes CH2OH becomes gives ketone, and here see carboxylic acid, and this is a reverse oxidation gives COOH, and this COOH, that is oxalic acid. Uses of alcohols. Methanol is used as a solvent for paints and varnishing, and the cement, manufacture of dyes, drugs, perfumes, the formaldehydes are used, and uses of ethanol, paints, varnishes, and here like ether, chloroform, iodoform, these are organic compounds, dyes, transparent soaps, as a substitutes for petrol under the name power alcohol. பெட்ரோலுக்கு சப்ஸ்டியூட்டாக இதை யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம். இட் இஸ் யூஸ்ட் இன் ப்ரிசர்வேட்டிவ்ஸ், இன் ஸ்பெசிமன்ஸ், பயாலஜிக்கல் லேப்லலாம் ஸ்பெசிமன் ஃப்ராக் அண்ட் ஸ்னேக் அந்த ஸ்பெசிமன்ஸ் யூஸ் ப்ரிசர்வ் பண்ணுறதுக்கு we are using this. And ethylene glycol is used in antifreeze in automobiles, and dinitrate is used in explosive with TNG, that is trinitroglycerol. And uses of glycerol is sweetening agent. அதனுடைய இனிப்பு தன்மைக்காண்டி we are adding it. Cosmetics, making, printing, ink, stamp, and manufacture of explosive like dynamite and all we are using in China clay and all we are using this glycerol.